Hey guys, so right now there are a lot of people who are doing about two things. They're switching over to Davinci Resolve, but they're also switching from Intel or Windows to Apple Mac systems. And the reason is, like I said in the previous video, because they just work. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Davinci Resolve in your Apple Mac computers. This way you can have the best accurate colors so you don't have to suffer gamma shifts. But before we dive in, last year I released my color grading course, The Novice Colorist. I made this course for beginner videographers who want to learn how to color grade their image without using LUTs, or they want to use that LUT to help take your image to the next level. And you're going to learn how to do that within this course. There are 22 lessons. You can finish this course within 2.5 hours. There is practice footage that is free to download, plus other free access and discount codes. And there's also a private number within the course that you can use to reach me. Right now my course goes for $137, but if you use the code VDAY30, you'll be able to receive 30% off. So make sure you take advantage of this offer, and I'll see you inside the course. Now we're in Resolve, and the first thing we're gonna do is select your gear icon, go to your color management, and my settings are Color Science Davinci YRGB, Timeline Color Space Davinci Y Gamma Intermediate, and my output color space Rec 709 Gamma 2.4. And then I'm gonna go down here and select Make Broadcast Safe. Then once you do that, you're going to select Save, but for me it's canceled because those are my default settings. Next I'm gonna go to Davinci Resolve, and I'm gonna select Preference, and I'm gonna go to General, and I'm gonna make sure these three settings are checked. Use 10-bit precision in viewers if available. Use Mac display color profiles. And then I'm gonna automatically tag Rec 709 scene clips as Rec 709A. And then once you check those three settings, you're gonna hit save. But also, if you're like me and you're running a DAC link card into your Mac, so you could bypass your computer's color management, you're gonna go to Preference. You're gonna go down to Video and Audio. Then you'll go to Monitor Device, and then you're gonna select DAC link Mini. And then you're gonna hit save. Then we're gonna go over to our export settings. Now I have mine saved, and I definitely recommend that you do this. And then you're gonna select whatever resolution you wanna export your video in. But once you do that, you're gonna go to quality. You're gonna restrict to 8,000 or 80,000 actually. And then you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna go to color space tag Rec 709, gamma tag gamma 2.4. And then down here, you're gonna go to, or you're gonna check bypass re-encode when possible, force size and highest quality, and force the barrier to highest quality. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and add to render. You're gonna select your destination, and then you're gonna go ahead and render. I wanted to keep this video short so you can actually go to Resolve, change your settings around, and you can start creating some banger content. And if you feel like tagging me so I can see your grades, feel free to do so. So before you go, make sure you like the video, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.